Quartz clocks operate using the mineral quartz inside of a clock to keep time. Like mechanical clocks, quartz clocks still use gears to count time, but they are electrical. The mineral quartz is piezoelectric. This means that when a quartz crystal is squeezed, it generates a very small current of electricity. This also means that when electricity is passed through the quartz crystal, it vibrates. Quartz crystals all vibrate at the same frequency, meaning they shake the same number of times each second. Quartz crystals vibrate exactly 32,768 times each second. All quartz clocks contain a battery to vibrate the quartz crystal and a circuit to count how many times the crystal has shaken. The circuit then uses this information to create regular pulses of electricity. It generates one pulse every second. These pulses then make the gears of the clock move, if it is a mechanical clock, or power a digital display, if it is a digital clock. The quartz crystal in a quartz clock helps keep the clock accurate. Hope we didn't disappoint you. Your doubts for clock working may clear by this video. Hope we will come such more stuff soon. Enjoy your day, mechanical lovers.